Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a fun tour of the city and learning the names of places you might see or visit. Whether you're just starting to learn English or need a quick refresher, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. First up, we have the park. A park is a great place to relax, have a picnic, or go for a walk. Can you say it with me? Park. This is a hospital. If you feel sick or need medical help, you go to a hospital. Doctors and nurses work here to take care of people. Say it with me. Hospital. Next, we have the school. A school is where children go to learn. The teachers teach subjects like math, science, and English. Say it with me. School. Here's an airport. An airport is a place where you catch flights to travel long distances. Say it with me. Airport. This is a police station. Police officers work here to keep the city safe. Say it with me. Police station. Next, we have a court. It's a place where trials and other legal cases happen. Say it with me. Court. Next, we have a fire station. Firefighters work here to help in emergencies and put out fires. Say it with me. Fire station. This is a post office. You can send letters, packages, and even buy stamps here. Say it with me. Post office. Here's a bank. A bank is where you can keep your money safe, open an account, or withdraw cash. Say it with me. Bank. This is a train station. It's a place where you can catch a train to travel to other cities or towns. Say it with me. Train station. Here's a library. A library is a place where you can borrow books, study, or read quietly. Say it with me. Library. This is a grocery store. You can buy food and household items here. It's also called a supermarket. Say it with me. Grocery store. This is a restaurant. It's a place where you can sit down and enjoy a meal. Say it with me. Restaurant. Next, we have a coffee shop. It's a place where you can grab a cup of coffee, tea, or a snack. Say it with me. Coffee shop. This is a zoo. A zoo is a place where you can see animals like lions, elephants, and giraffes. Say it with me. Zoo. Here's a stadium. Say it with me. Stadium. Say it with me. Stadium. Next, we have a mall. It's a big building with many shops, restaurants, and sometimes even a cinema. Say it with me. Mall. Great job, everyone. Today we learned about so many places in the city. Parks, schools, hospitals, malls, and more. Remember to practice these words and look for these places in your city. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more fun lessons. See you next time. Bye.